Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Titration curves look intimidating, but identifying the weak acid is fast if you know where to look. Let's solve this.
First, we need to find the equivalence point on the graph where the curve is steepest. Looking closely, that happens at 20 milliliters of sodium hydroxide added to our weak acid solution. Now, we find the half-equivalence point at 10 milliliters. At this specific volume, the pH of the solution is equal to the pKa of the weak acid we are trying to identify. At 10 milliliters, the pH is 5. Since the pKa is 5, the K value must be 10 to the power of negative 5. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps for option C.